guys, so today we will be doing a pink and blue eye look. So first you will need to take your NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So take the Jumbo Pencil and put it on as a base and then blend it out. So the lid broke, but it'll be fine. Just take this blush color and use it as a transition color. And just put that up on the brow bone and blend it out with a nice fluffy brush. Take this hot pink purple color and with a dense kind of flat brush start packing it on into the desired shape. I ended up blending a bit with this brush, but you can use the fluffy brush that you use with the transition color to blend out the edges whenever we're done packing it on. Fluffy brush and start blending out the edges. And never forget chapstick. And we're gonna take this blue color and pack it on with our finger. If you have a dense brush that you really like, you can use that, but I prefer my finger. So just pack this on in the first half of your lid. And now we're going to take this dark purple and do the same thing as we did with the blue, except for on the outer corner. Take the brush that we used for the pink and start softening the edges of the purple and blue. Go back in with the pinky purple and add any more color where you need it if your color has faded in the blending process. take your jumbo pencil by NYX and put that under the eye so that we can put color under there and it will stand out. Take a small flat brush and, if it'll focus, nope, okay. And take the dark purple and place that under the eye where we put the NYX jumbo pencil. And now we're just gonna smoke out the bottom lash line. Now we're going to take a turquoise color and put that in our inner corner for a highlight. Blue and purple iridescent pigment, and we're just going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. And trying to show you without dropping the pigment sort of worked. So it looks brownish, maybe even blue on the finger, but when you put it on, it turns very iridescent. I ended up putting it on the blue instead and making the blue color more iridescent, but in person it still looks like a pretty vibrant blue. Then I used it to highlight my brow bone. And might as well try to use it as a highlighter. It looks pretty nice, and to me it kind of looks like a blush, and then you turn your face and it's blue. So I like the weird highlighters. Now we're gonna do eyeliner, but I did it off camera so I could sit down. Now I'm going to use my favorite mascara, which is a Pikachu mascara. So for the lips, we're going to take off a bit of the chapstick, and I just put it on the back of my hand. This is a lipstick that I got from Wish, and it was $1, and I'm very happy with it, and it stays on very well. It's just a nice pinky nude, mauvey nude kind of color. This is a very matte without being drying kind of liquid lipstick. And you're just gonna let that dry a bit until you have no residue on your hand whenever you touch your lips. And taking this pigment again, we're just gonna put that all over the lips. And this is the finished look. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!